another challenge, and this one I'm going to be using the same fragrance blend, but I'm going to be doing 3 separate loaves with this one. So I'm going to use the same like beginning video for all 3, but each soap will be a little bit different, and I'll be kind of reusing some containers. So number 1, I will be doing a butterfly swirl, and I'm going to do kind of a basic one that I've done before. I'm going to use purple, yellow, and black, and with some gray mixed with the black, and then the base color will just be no color at all on that. Number 2 will be a wall pour butterfly swirl. So I have not done that before, so we'll see how that one turns out. That will be the base with no color, green, black, and blue. And then the third one, I will be doing a secret feather swirl, and I've only tried that once. Unfortunately, when I tried it the last time, that I used an accelerating fragrance, so I didn't get very far down into the soap with that one. That one I'm planning on doing 2 different colors of green on the lower half, and then for the actual flower, I want to make a flower going through it, and I'm going to do 2 different colors of pink. So for all 3 of them, I'm going to be doing a blend of a nice floral. I have Sweet Pea, just a teeny tiny bit of that. That one can cause ricing. I have not used that fragrance yet, but I'm only using a tiny bit. Honeysuckle, that one can cause acceleration. I'm using my slow moving recipe, but again, I'm only using a tiny bit. I only have ½ an ounce left, so split between 3 batches, that's going to be like nothing. But that one, the last time I used it in cold process soap, I used my slow moving recipe, and I didn't have any issues with it, so hopefully that won't cause anything. And then the main scent will be Crisp Apple Rose. That one's a really nice one. It's very fluid. I've used it before, so I'll have time for swirls in there. But the Sweet Pea and the Honeysuckle, I know, why am I doing a wild card with some of these, but you know what? It's fun to kind of go out on a limb with that. So I'll go ahead and get started. So again, I'm going to be doing 3 separate loaves. That was one of the rules. This is for a challenge, is you have to do 3, for every single pour, you have to do start to finish. You can't like do a little bit of the loaf and then come back, not layers. So there's no layers, it has to be all done in one go. So go ahead and get started. And again, there's going to be 3 different ones.